So it's just a quick story I wanted to share with you all, that I was just sitting at my desk and I was completely focused on my work, and my grandmother suddenly started YouTube and binge watching the YouTube recommended videos. One of the videos she started was about Ajit Pawar accident mystery and all of this stuff. So the whole video was AI generated, guys. Everything, the visuals, the hooks, the voice, the narration, everything was AI generated, and I recognized it immediately. It was completely not a journalism, it wasn't a fact, it was just a game that people are playing or manipulating with the viewer. My grandmother was so innocent that she started believing and trusting all of the information that have been narrated through that video. And even the limit is she started accusing one of the fellow colleagues of Ajit Pawar, saying that he did it intentionally for fame, money, character, and whole stuff. But I don't know if this is a truth or not. But the one thing I know is that it was not a journalism at all. It hit me so that it like this is the brutal truth of today. People are not using AI just for innovations, but they are using it for manipulation, for manipulating with your and my mind, and we don't know whatever the reasons they are using it for. I mean, they are playing and exploiting with people's emotions for profit, money, profit on clicks, and all of this stuff. So today's tragedy is that so viewers believe on what they see online, which they should not actually. It is not really good for your beliefs and for your mind and for your lifestyle or anything. You believe these kind of stuff, the belief literally makes in their mind, and it's so difficult to undo that with any kind of person. So it's that even if something like this to your feed, you and me and everyone should think twice before trusting anything which you are watching on social media. Check it if it is verified, it has been concluded, or if it's official or not, and everything. Do it, like, do you can, but don't believe. And even if something you hear, do not narrate it with another person, because you never know if that is correct or not. And this is how only you can stop spreading rumors about the peoples which are not culprits. Stop accusing innocent. I don't know the who was the innocent and culprit on that story, but you should stop it. I should stop it. Let's start it from us, from our family. Educate your family on AI, how AI is working, what are they doing, how they are doing, what should they believe, what should they do not, how should they recheck it, and everything. AI is also good, but it also have a bad side, and we also have to educate ourselves about the bad sides.